Many homes use a septic tank system for sewage and grey water, and understanding how they work and how to look after them is important in making sure you have a hassle-free, healthy system. It's simple. A septic tank system has at least 2 chambers and is buried underground. Now your wastewater is made up of sewage and water from the kitchen, and unless you have a grey water system, your bath and shower water is also sent to the septic tank. All this wastewater from your home enters towards the bottom of the first tank and the solids sink. This is where the microscopic bacteria start breaking down the solids, and as the water level rises, the processed wastewater then spills over to a second chamber, where it is broken down even further. From the second chamber, the water then either flows to the third chamber, if your tank has one, or it flows to the soakaway and is absorbed into the ground. Sometimes you will see a patch of grass that is greener than the rest. This is where your soakaway is. Generally, there is no odor from a septic tank as it is underground, and an odor is usually an early warning sign that something is not working the way it should. Because the entire septic tank system is alive with microscopic, healthy bacteria, flushing non-biodegradable waste or by using non-eco-friendly chemicals in your home can harm the bacteria, and you run the risk of killing these off. The result is a septic tank that needs to get pumped out. Septic tanks are great when they're working the way they should, and the maintenance is minimal if you follow the basic steps. A septic tank drain cleaner is an additive that not only helps to clear blocked drains, but also rejuvenates your septic tank by reintroducing healthy bacteria. This is also useful if the tank has been left unused for a long time, or if you have had the tank pumped out and you're needing to start the process again. Now, grey water is water from baths and showers, hand basins and your clothes washing machine, and this can be used for garden irrigation or for reuse in a toilet. Unfortunately, bad smells are almost always a part of a grey water system, and this grey water cleaner will assist in getting rid of the odours as well as keeping the system healthy. As always, remember to read the usage and, importantly, the dosage instructions on the packaging. These septic tank and grey water products are available at Builders, in-store or online at builders.co.za. For more videos like this, check out the blog on the website. Get to Builders, get it done.